Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious orzo soup with yogurt. I'm starting by adding 5 cups of water to my pot. I used hot water, but you can absolutely use cold water and bring it to a boil. And now, we wait for it to boil. My water is boiling. Into the boiling water, I'm adding 2 small cups of orzo and giving it a quick stir. And let it cook until tender. Carefully. Two cups of yogurt. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 egg. And I'm whisking it all together until nice and smooth. Meanwhile, our orzo is beautifully tender. Now we're ready to add our yogurt mixture to the soup. Let's ladle in about 2 ladles of the hot broth into our yogurt mixture. And whisking it in, this will help temper the yogurt. And then we can pour our tempered yogurt mixture back into the soup. From this point on, we need to stir our soup constantly. Don't stop stirring until it comes to a gentle boil. Oh, and while that was happening, I added another cup of water as the orzo was cooking. So I added a total of 6 cups of water to the soup. As you can see, my soup is starting to boil. And I haven't stopped stirring. Now, let's prepare the topping. In my pan, I'm adding about half a teacup of vegetable oil. Then, I'll add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Be careful not to burn it. We don't want it to be bitter. Give it a quick stir and pour this aromatic oil over the soup. For yogurt-based soups like this, we always add the salt at the very end. After adding about a teaspoon of salt, I'm immediately pouring the minty oil right over the soup.